What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, it has been down for a while, especially during the weekends, and it is very much expected because, as you can see right here, if we go to the weekly time frame, if we zoom out, we see that it has pumped for a very long time. So from the weekly, we see that it has been pumping for roughly 4 weeks, 28% pump. So yes, there is every chance for BTC to keep on pumping, but there is also every chance for us to like go down, for us to correct. It is called correction. So if this is no longer valid, this analysis is no longer valid. So if we move to the 4 hours time frame, we could see that this is what will probably play out. Now on the daily time frame, before we move to the 4 hours time frame, if we should ignore these two lines right here, if I should take this away, we could see that we broke out of this resistance, which is 91,700. So we couldn't like retest this 93,300. We couldn't retest it, so we are dropping down. We can drop as low as 92,000 or 91,800. This is the area we need to hold. This is the area we need to hold, because if we break below this support, we are definitely dropping all the way down to 86,000. So I've been saying this for a while, that 86,000 is the POC level, point of control. As long as this area is concerned, this POC area is concerned, this is actually a very good point of control, which is the 86,000 level. So yeah, between 86,000 down to 85,100 is a very good POC, yes, within this area right here. So for now, I'll keep on saying we should hold this area right here. Once we are able to hold within this area, then we can rally much higher. But for now, I still think that this week is going to be more bearish than bullish, because people would want to take profit, and this is the first week of the month, so people will definitely take profit, because people that invested last month or that opened a futures position, they would want to exit those positions, because for weeks, let's be honest, for weeks they've been in a trade, so it's expected of them to take profits. That is also one of the reasons. And also Bitcoin is vulnerable to news. We all know that, so any little bearish news that comes in, it will definitely come down. And also looking at S&P 500, we could see right here that the S&P 500 is doing well, but we don't know if it's gonna open bearish or bullish, because it has broken this line right here. If I should take all this away from here, you will see that the S&P 500 has broken a major resistance, which is 5,638. So since it has broken above it, we might open a little bit bearish today, then we can rally much higher. If this happens, then definitely we'll see the cryptocurrency pumping this week. But if this doesn't happen, if this ends up happening, then we'll definitely see a very bearish week this week. So it all depends. So it's good we all keep our fingers crossed and expect both movements from both either bearish or bullish movements this week. So just prepare your mind, prepare yourselves, prepare your positions, not over leverage yourselves. And speaking on the other chart on Bitcoin, you could see that we couldn't even hold this support right here after we broke off from here. We couldn't actually hold here very well. We broke down, we retested. So at the end of the day, it's expected of us to drop as low as $92,000. Like I said, if we drop below $92,000, then I would say we are definitely dropping down. We're definitely dropping all the way down to $86,000. Everything still falls down to $86,000. As you can see right here, everything falls back down to $86,000. So we just have to expect this move this week, because left to me, I would say this move this correction will be very, very healthy for us for this month, because if we drop all the way down to $86,000, we will definitely be expecting a more bullish move today upside, because I can't say we'll have to break this we'll have to break this resistance that easily. So as you can see, even from the daily time frame, we might get a move back from this daily time frame. We might get a move to the upside, then we'll rally all the way down to either 90, 91 or 92 down to 89. Then if we're going to drop down more, we'll drop as low as $86,000. It is a very healthy correction, and I don't see us breaking above $96,000 anytime soon. Why? Because as you can see, for weeks right here, we've been trying as much as we can to break $96,000, which was difficult since the month of November. We've been trying as much as we can to break above it. So it's not something easy we could just break. We need a lot of volume to break above that level. So yeah, but for a more healthy movement, I'm rooting for, or I'm expecting a move like this. I'm expecting a move like this all the way down to 86 to 89,000 before we break above this resistance. This is what I'm expecting. So without wasting much of your time, guys, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. If you're a trader, links are down below. Use the link below. Use the link below on buybitk.io and Weex. Use the links below to sign up and start trading on this exchange. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week. Peace out.